Haryana is the fifth BJP state where a meat ban for the Jain festival of Paryushan has been recommended for a whopping 9 days. Do we no longer have the right to eat what we want?
Mohammad Rizwan, a meat seller in Gurgaon, says he will face a real struggle if the Haryana government goes ahead with its 9-day ban on the sale of meat. His monthly income will immediately drop by 50,000 rupees.
हमारा नुकसान ही है और कितने मजदूर लोग कितने लेबर जुड़ी हुई है इससे। एक शॉप से कम 50 लोग जुड़े होते हैं, जहाँ से माल आता है, जहाँ से कटता है, स्लॉटर हाउस है और यहाँ तक पहुँचाने वाले, फिर यहाँ पर सेल करने वाले 50 लोग एक दुकान से जुड़े होते हैं। कितने लोग बेरोजगार हो जाएंगे। ये गवर्नमेंट कह रही है कि भाई अच्छे दिन आएंगे, ये अच्छे दिन आ रहे हैं तो और बुरे दिन आ रहे हैं।
Young bankers, IIT specialists and MNC executives, people who contributed to the process of transforming Gurgaon into a mini Singapore. This is what they had to say about the meat ban.
It's up to people what they want to do, right? It's nothing like government should not be, banning people or telling them not to do or what to do, whatever people should be allowed to do whatever they want to do.
I surely think it is aggressive. Yeah. It should people should have their own choice. I don't know why government is doing it.
Haryana became the fifth BJP state to ban the sale of meat for 9 days during the Jain festival of Paryushan, despite opposition from activists, traders and other political parties who insist that the state government has no right to tell people what to eat and what not to. Now the government says it was nothing more than an appeal it made, though government circulars which NDTV has in its possession clearly show that the authorities did threaten legal action for non-compliance in some districts.
इस देश के अंदर, भारतवर्ष के अंदर सभी धर्मों के लोग रहते हैं और हमें सभी धर्मों की भावनाओं का हमें सम्मान करना चाहिए और अगर कि हमारे किसी भी ऐसे कार्य करने से अगर किसी की जो है भावनाएं आहत होती हैं तो मैं समझता हूं हमें उनको आहत नहीं करना चाहिए.
Ironically, the minister heading the department belongs to the Jain community, though the BJP says her decision has nothing to do with the order.
ये तो इत्तेफाकन है कि उस जो मिनिस्टर हैं वो जैन समाज से हैं तो मेरा लेकिन इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
A similar ban is in place in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh. In Mumbai, the ban evoked strong reactions from the traders, the shopkeepers, the opposition parties, including the BJP's own ally, the Shiv Sena. After the High Court's reprimand, the ban was reduced from 4 days to 2 days. But it seems that the government is in no mood to relent. With camera person Sanjay Kaushik, Bhairavi Singh, NDTV.